Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel, Mike the Tech Savvy. If you are seriously interested in investing in cryptocurrencies, you definitely need to think about security as well. And probably one of the best solutions is investing in a hardware wallet. The Ledger Nano S is a entry-level choice from Ledger, a company based in France, which started its activity in 2014. This is their entry-level hardware wallet, and today I will unbox it and tell you a few words about it. It comes in your, typical box. On the back, a description here and a couple of coins that it accepts. It uses USB and it looks just like this, like your typical USB stick. Let's open it up and check out the contents. I've seen some reviews in the past where this box had an anti-tamper seal somewhere, but looks like this one doesn't, and it was ordered straight from Ledger, so without any third-party sellers. Let's just open it up and see what's inside. And there you go, the Ledger Nano S. Let's put it aside for a moment and check out the box contents. It looks very similar to an Apple product. Okay, there's something here. We have a micro USB cable, lanyard with some keychain. Let's check what's inside here. It's exactly what I told you beforehand. I didn't know that they stopped using a anti-tampering sticker, but it looks like they have a mechanism to check the integrity of the Ledger software. This time it's powered on and basically it's tamper-proof. Getting started, you need to go to this link and follow the instructions to configure it. Recovery sheet, this is really important because you can, or you should actually, write your recovery phrase here. And let's see, you have a few more just in case you probably make a mistake, or probably if you want to store them in different places. It's pretty important to note that if you're using a hardware wallet for your cryptocurrencies, if you lose this hardware wallet, you will not be able to access your coins anymore, your wallet basically. The only way to recover it would be by entering this recovery phrase and using another wallet. So this is a backup of the hardware wallet. Let's put everything aside and take a look at the Ledger itself. Take a look. It's really nice. I opted for the transparent one, which looks pretty nice, as you can see. And it does nothing because this one only works when connected to the PC. This Ledger Nano S is a cryptocurrency hardware wallet that can connect to any computer via this micro USB port. It is the size of a USB stick. I have here for comparison a micro SD card. It has this built-in OLED display that is kind of bluish, and it's used to check every transaction and to confirm the transactions using these side buttons. This device was designed to provide an extra layer of security while we interact with different cryptocurrencies, and it works by isolating the private keys from the computer it is connected to. Even if it's quite small, it offers almost all of the security features of its more expensive hardware wallets. It supports a lot of cryptocurrencies. Ledger probably has the best support for cryptocurrencies. The device runs a proprietary operating system called Bolos platform, and as you can see right here, it is open source and allows third-party applications to be installed on the wallet. The price of this device is only 59 euros at the time I'm filming this. What I like about it, it's its size. It's pretty portable and you can attach it to your keys and carry it with you. You can install third-party apps that basically were designed specifically for this Ledger wallet. A disadvantage is the fact that this Ledger can only operate with a few apps at a time. I'm not really sure what's the limit right now with the latest software updates. Its more expensive brother, the Ledger Nano S, can store many more apps at the same time. It also has Bluetooth, so you can connect it very easily to your Android or iOS device and make transactions or check your wallet in real time on your phone. You can also connect this one to the Ledger Live app on iOS or on Android, but you would need an on-the-go cable and on-the-go support from your smartphone. As conclusions, the Ledger Nano S has sold in millions, so it's safe to say that it's, well, a pretty good product. It's definitely the cheapest option on the market and the one with the most features at a very low price. So it's a pretty good choice if you're looking for a first hardware wallet just to acquaint yourself with this technology, or you can use it as a secondary backup hardware wallet to keep it with yourself all the time. This was just an unboxing video. It's possible I may do a review as well. This is how it looks when it boots up the first time and when you connect it to a micro USB cable. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please do press the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more similar videos in the future, also press the subscribe button, which will be displayed right here. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Take care, guys. Make sure you stay at home as much as possible. Wish you a great day. Bye.